Once again, welcome back. I thought it would be fun because I just filmed a video where I do my sister's makeup, but you don't know much about her. So what if we do the sister tag? So I'm just gonna go get started. Who's the oldest or youngest?
I'm the youngest. I'm 14, soon gonna be 15, and she's 17.
Yep, I'm the oldest. What do you like and hate about your sister?
It's not that I hate something, it's more like, I don't know.
Something that you just don't like.
Your smelly feet.
Great, thanks. And something that you do like?
The rest is fine.
Alright. I
There's-
guess I do like that I can just talk to you, but I don't like that you can be really obnoxious.
In what way?
Huh?
In what way?
That you're just always loud and very dramatic, and I don't know how to deal with that, so that can be annoying.
I'm not always loud and dramatic.
Most of the time.
Sometimes.
What do you and your sister have in common? Do you know what that means?
Yeah, but I don't know what we have in common.
We both have freckles.
I have more than you, so that doesn't count.
Yeah, but we still have freckles,
Yeah.
so it's common. You have the same kind of nose.
We have the same kind of body, too.
There's a lot of things. What's your funniest memory?
Alright.
What's your funniest memory?
I don't know. A lot, probably.
I don't have a favorite, honestly.
They're all favorites.
What do you and your sister do for fun? Like shopping?
Talking, too.
Yeah, shopping, mainly.
And do makeup and take photos. And then
Yeah.
you're gonna laugh at my photos and just be like, zoom in on
Yeah.
the wrong parts.
Describe your sister in one word. Well, you gotta say one too, so you can also start thinking. I don't have a word. I don't. I just don't.
I do. Old soul.
That's 2 words.
You're just an old soul.
That's 2 words. I said 1 word.
No, I didn't.
Have you ever liked one of her friends? As in, like, being in love?
No.
No. Not at all. What's a nickname people call you? I don't have a nickname.
9.
Okay. Who has a cleaner room? I don't know. Like, maybe me?
Probably.
Yeah.
Which kind of does make sense.
What does your sister think about the most? Either food or boys? It's true.
I don't think about boys that often anymore. Because I got pretty hurt in my last relationship. And so now it's just food and music.
Yeah.
I love food.
Well, what do I think about?
Things to make your room more your style.
Style. Yeah.
And
Pretty things, aesthetic things. That's what I like to
cats
think
and
about.
food too.
And girls.
My back is itching.
Who reads more? I do. You never finished one book. No. I finished many. What is something you like to do together? Like shopping, I guess.
Shopping and doing makeup too.
Who is the most talented? It depends on the thing. I mean, like, there's things she's better at, and there's things that I'm better at. So, like, I can't really say, oh, I'm more talented. Like, I don't know. Depends on the thing.
Yeah.
What is your favorite makeup product, or brand, or beauty product?
I think eyeshadow.
Hmm.
I like eyeshadow. But I'm not good at makeup.
I like eyeliner. I mean, I can basically do a full face with black liquid eyeliner, so like, what is your sister really bad at? You're bad at being concentrated. Yeah.
I'm talking about feelings and emotions.
What am I bad at? I mean, I know exactly what I'm bad at, but like...
Singing.
Yeah.
And talking about your emotions.
Yeah. Just
And
communication
showing them.
in general. I'm bad at talking. But you know, it's always been that way.
Okay.
What's the best thing about the other person? What's the best thing about the other person?
Probably that you're so creative and good at makeup and drawing and stuff. What about me?
Oh, what is the best thing, like, above all others?
I think that you can make food. Cause then I never starve.
Okay, great. I can cook, yeah.
And then we can talk to each other when I don't talk to other people.
Yeah, talking is a big plus.
Which I normally don't talk about my feelings.
No, exactly. Same. Who takes longer to get ready? Well, that depends, because, like, when I do this, I take longer. But on a daily basis, I don't wear any makeup. So for me, getting ready is like 5 minutes. For her, it's 15 at least. So, like, in general, on the, like, school weeks, it takes you longer. But, like, when I do my makeup, it takes way longer for me. Up to, like, 2 hours. Heels or flats?
Well, I think heels because I'm really not that tall and you're taller than me.
Yeah, but only like 6 centimeters though.
More.
6.
No.
Sure.
I'm like 195 centimeters and
Yeah, I'm 166. So like 7 centimeters, that's it.
yeah. You had it wrong. Not 6. 7 centimeters. Centimeters?
Sure. I
Okay.
always wear flats. But for the look of it, heels. And they make the sound that always makes people go, oh, is that a teacher? I should be scared now.
Yeah.
It's just, it frightens people, and I like that. Last thing you talked about. Whether or not you were cute.
Really?
Yeah, because you keep asking me, do you think I'm cute? Do you think I'm cute?
Because you don't answer it, so do you think I'm cute?
Sure.
That's not a yes or a no.
Oh, I ask you yes or no all the time, and then you say sure, so like...
Fine.
Are you close? I don't know. We're not that close. It's not like we do everything together.
It's not a repeat together, so...
That's such a weird thing to say.
Well, I don't know. It's not
It's just
that...
like, we don't hate each other.
And we don't... Well...
We don't spend all our time together, so it's not like we are the best friends ever. But like...
But you promised me you would try.
I tried.
You promised me that you would try. So
And?
it works.
Successful. One thing that you can do that your sister can't.
Draw. And do makeup. I can't do makeup.
Yeah, but it's yeah, I mean, it's kind of like we both physically can, but I'm better at it. And you are better at, like, understanding people. Because, like, you understand people better, and I can't. Like, genuinely unable. It gets kind of awkward sometimes, because then people get hurt, because they're just like, why don't you understand me? And it's like, I'm sorry, I just don't. But you do. What's a weird habit of your sister? Well, you tend to just, like, throw yourself on the ground. Like, in your room, and then I just hear this loud noise, and I'm like, oh, there she goes again.
Oh yeah. Or just like hit myself too.
Yeah. What weird thing do I do?
Talk to yourself.
Yeah, but you do too.
Yeah, okay, that's that's also we have in common.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. What was your biggest fight or argument?
We had a lot.
Yeah,
We had
but I
too
don't
much.
know at what time or what it was about.
I remember one time when we were little and we were running in our garden and you got so mad you just pulled my hair and I fell on the ground.
One time we were in the playground kind of thing, you bit me.
Yeah.
And we have that on video, and you can just see that it took me like a few seconds to realize that she had bitten me and that it hurt. So for a moment I was like, ow!
Yeah.
Describe the last thing you did with your sister. We were taking pictures of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You do that a lot. Complete this statement. My sister is ... What? What am I?
A monster. Joking.
True.
My sister is ... No.
You're not supposed to.
My sister is a nerd queen.
I'll accept that. No.
Oh, you're smart, you read books, and I'm just like, I don't read books because they don't have my interest.
Yeah.
And we're kind of like I don't know. Also, I could also call you Bacon Queen.
Bacon?
Bacon Queen.
Oh, baking.
Yeah.
I was like, bacon? I don't even eat bacon.
Yeah, well, that's true.
I like to bake stuff. Like
For
cakes. I bake for myself. If there was nobody in the house, I would eat the whole cake myself. Duh. Like, I like the things that I bake, so I absolutely don't mind eating it all by myself.
But I do. Because I'm hungry too.
Now I have to complete the statement. My sister is...
Yeah.
a pretty okay person to be around.
Pretty okay.
Pretty cool, I don't know.
Am I cool? No, I'm just weird.
I don't know what... Yeah, but so am I.
That's why we fit together. As sisters.
We are both very weird, yeah. We are both kind of outcasts, but like,
Yeah.
whatever.
We both have our special friend group.
Mm-hmm.
And like, when anyone tries to hurt our friends, we would just go.
It's just like, don't hurt my friends, that's
Yeah.
mean.
Yeah.
Now
and-
I'm feeling mean.
Yeah, it can go bad.
Mm.
Sometimes.
Oh, I guess that's it. Like, those were all the questions. Oh, that's it. We'll put our social media in the description box. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. Like this video if you
I think we're cute together, sisters. Can I wear your makeup again?
no, not this time. Anyway, that's it for this week's videos. Or video, depends on what I'm gonna put up, you know. Surprise. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next week.